Hello world! We are at the inside the cave where Jesus is said to have spent some time in reflection before the first miracle was made. By the way, we are now at Cana, Galilee, the Holy Land of Cana, where Jesus spent most of his time when he was alive. And where the place where he made his first miracle, the turning water into wine. When he attended the wedding, the wine is finished, so he took the water and turned it into wine. I want to take this. That's why we walk with whom? With Ruth. Ninette the first time, and then with Ruth and Rose. Hello world, this is the group of Filipinia going to Cana, the Grotte di Cana. You know, it's prohibited to do video in the house.
Not mag-picture!
So I will just...
We had lunch here.
that's why there is no place to eat. And we have... Saan kaya tayo kakain? Di ba nag-upo tayo dito? Ay, nawala yung signboard. Ano ba yan? The signboard is gone. You see, I will do like this because if the guy... Tayo ma'am. Tayo, habibi tayo. Buti yan, go to the shade.
Mamaya na lang tayo bibili? Ay, sama.
Nasaan ba ang English? Ito pala sa English. The entrance of the town, there is a hill.
Saan na lang? Di ba dito naman kailangan? How much?
Please, habibi mama. Listen.
Ay,
Angela.
The mask?
why you put the mask here then?
No, it's not the mask. Before they said it's the mask and they put it here.
Look, it's the mask.
The mask. You remember before they said it's the mask?
Why?
Mama, can you go with her?
Yala,
I don't want. Yeah, like we go to the other side.
Mama, look at me. Smile, look at me.
Came here 100 billion times. So I don't know.
Here we went to do the heart. Tayo in the heart. Ay. Ano ka?
You said you have to follow the group. Follow the
No, I want to go the room.
Hello.
Kaya sana, Veronica, Tess never been here. No, Tess never been here.
Every video you need to say
Veronica and Rose. Remember Rose here or doing in the garage.
Is that cool?
We come from this side.
Dudla sa camera, ha?
Bakit tayo dyan? Taas naman tayo.
Like, pa 7 floor.
This side.
Why you put the long side? My legs are rough. It is nowhere. Literally nowhere.
Bala, it's in there also. It's still the same. We walk down here. Nothing but down. It's the same. Oh, wala. Local taga rito. Turista talaga tayo. Doon ang Israel.
Sabi ko lang naman, hawak mo bukas. Mama, you will not fight. You will not fight. Please, don't fight. Magkano tate?
He was here, right? Huh? But my mom told me.
Mike said you can wear it.
Aray ko, bre.
Yes.
Yan ang mo. Ada ako dito.
Yes, there, auntie. Come. Let's go. No. When he's still alive, he come to take a rest here. Gutom na talaga. May mga turistang lokal. Andito na rin yung tayo. Hindi ko baba. Ang kalalaki mong tao, makakot ka dito.
Must vote. Hindi.
Amo ko humingi ng picture.
Doon sa kuweba.
Mama, you remember you take me photo here and there is no heke?
No.
There is no photo, it's only white. It's the time we are wearing white dress. Like you. Wait.
Pero okay rin kasi parang pinagtaguan ng mga Christian noon na tinutugis.
She was like, oh, I didn't realize. And I was like,
What shall we do?
Pray. We come here to pray.
What shall we do here? Ng sun, parang i-bless kayo ni Jesus. Meron na naman. Dalawa na po yung kasama. Oh? Saan po nga yan? Tak dampay tayo. Tumayo pa yung balay. Oo. May kawis na kayo.
O sa Sabado sila lalabas. Kung lalabas sila, lalabas din ako ng Sabado.
Sabi niya magsindi daw ako. Sabi ko ayaw ko nga. May iwan yung kalag ko dito.
Talag.
Talag.
Uy, yung ganito, pero
Sumasali ka! Oh! Kamay daw. Andyan ka na naman. Picturean nga kami. Sino kami picture sa inyo? Ay, sorry.
Yan ta. Sorry.
Ay, wag kang tatapak dito sa bato nito. Ano delikado, madulas. Doon ka sa may ano. Doon ka na lang mag...
Nakarami na kasi siya.
There is Ruth. Only now she will go. I will come here. Before we come here. Saan? Parang si... Oo nga.
Itong mukha tapos itong mukha. Pansinin mo.
Oo nga. Who told you this?
Abo, Ali, nung pumunta kami din pinadaran ka.
Ay, tingnan mo. Parang buong buo tuloy. Ang ganda si Abong kasama. Ituturukan niya.
Tour guide siya, tour guide. Mapansin niyo ba ang ano na to, yung pansinin niyo tong nakaukit na bato. Mamukha niyo ba kung sino ang kamukha?
Lagay ko sa siya.
May Kindle ako dito. Mag-attend kayo ng Kindle. Bumili ako ng
Wala,
tatlo.
akit na kami eh.
Akit na kayo?
Mag-video ako doon. Ma'am!
Lang.
Isa lang anak mo.
Oo. May dalagitan ako.
Ay, wala. Nasaan?
Sa Pinas. Dalaga na yun.
Eh, eto dito mo inanak.
Oo. Gusto mo? Yun, pure yun. Ito, habili. Karan lang. Sulit, bahala mahigit siya kumain.
Saan ba dito kakain? Eh, alam ko wala dito kainan. Ah, sa bus na.
Bubuksan man nila yan. Ano, nag-enjoy kayo? Sa Balali.
Oo, enjoy. Lagi na ako dito sa lugar. Pangatlo ko na to.
Wala kasi nakapunta dito.
Ang dami ko na dito mga kuda-kuda kaya
Ay, hindi. Para hindi siguro ano yung nag-ibon yung mga ano. Yung hindi napitan ng ipon.
I wait for Ruth. Ano, it's time to eat. The food is just a fried chicken. Come on, we sit here. We wait for Ruth. The Jesus with the mercy I saw.